Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner. Today I have got an unbagging for you from FGNORMAL. Now, I am really excited to show y'all something new that they are doing. Plus, they sent me something to share with all of y'all. It's a new craft supply, like a storage system. So therefore, I guess they just started carrying it and they wanted me to share it with y'all. So I'm going to just take everything out of here and we will get started. Alright, that is everything in the bag. And y'all, I do love, this comes in a bubble mailer. So there's more protection with this than the flimsy, like Walmart sack filling bags that they come in. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to share with y'all is the product that they sent me to show. Now, I forgot to look to see how much these are. So, I will leave it in the description box on how much these bags are. Now, these are reusable. There's 30 bags. Sorry about the noise. But you can see, let me see, do I have my measuring tape? Yes, I do. Alright, so these are basically 3 by 3 inch clear, thick, really thick plastic, like a Ziploc baggy type plastic pouch that you can use to store your drills in. You can use these to store your extras, or while you're kitting up, just kit your canvas up in these. There's 30 in this pack, but I do think it comes with more, like different sizes, not size bags, but different quantities, I think. I'm not exactly sure because I did not know. I kind of knew what they were sending me, but I wasn't sure, so I did not get the prices to these in advance. So like I said, I will leave all of the info in my description box. But these are really nice. I mean, these are really nice. And you could use these for anything. You could use this in your kids' snack, put snacks in here with your kids' lunches. Your medication, if you're going somewhere and you just need to put a day or two's worth of medication in here, chuck that down into your purse, your travel bag, whatever. Beads, this is good for bead storage. Gosh, it's really, you could do anything with these things. So thank you for sending these to me to share with y'all. Because like I said, these are really nice. And the zipper, the little thing, is very nice. And it's got like a seam right here that's going to stop it from coming off. So, yeah, and that's a solid closure there. So, alright, so there's those. And again, just check out my description box and I'll share the price and all of the goodies that goes with that. Alright, so the next thing is, these are the 2 items that I chose. Now, the great thing about this is they are starting to put these in these little boxes. So, and it also has the name of the canvas on this little sticker. So this is really nice. This keeps our canvases, because you can see that this one is a little dented. But when I open this, it's going to be fine. So FGNORMAL has started putting these in these little boxes to help with protection for travel and shipping. So it's really nice. It's a cute box. You've got all your instructions on how to diamond paint on the box. You can store these. You know, they can stack on top of one another. Like I said, the name of the canvas is right here on the bottom of this. They have their QR code. It's really nice. I really like that they have started doing this. So, alright, so with FGNORMAL, I want to open this up and get right into it. And you can see that the box is really nice. And now this is the one that was all wrinkled over here, smushed. Look, nothing's wrong with my diamond painting. Now, had they just chucked this in one of those little sacks and sent it on its way, it would probably be dented. So, these boxes are really nice. And it's in a plastic dust bag, which keeps it from getting dirty. Alright, so this is a 30 by 30. This is a special. And you can see it comes with just your standard toolkit, which is a green boat, square of wax, and your single placer pink pen. They come standard. Most all your diamond paintings will come with a standard little toolkit. So this is what I got, or this is this one. So this, like I said, is a 30 by 30. And this is called Beautiful Night Scenes. There are 3 in this little series. I chose this one because I thought it was the prettiest. There is the item number. There's the size. Here's a thumbnail. Now this does have, let's see, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 colors in it. And it is a partial. So there's going to be spots on here that's not, you don't drill. It's not sticky. See, nothing. But that part there is sticky because I have to put drills on it. So here are the specials. Now this one was called, well, it's just Beautiful Night Scenes. And there are, like I said, there's 3 to choose from. So make sure when you put these in your cart that you're putting the JK088 in for this one, because they're all going to have a different item number. So you're going to have to click on which one that you want, because if you just add to cart, you may not get this one. So you need to make sure that you click on the one that has this item number. So here are the special shapes. These are really pretty. That one is real pretty. So we've got greens and golds. Some pink, red, blue, more pink. Some different colored greens. And this brown. I don't know if y'all can tell. Yeah, there you go. So very pretty. And everything looks very clear. You know, these are really easy to do. And I enjoy doing specials because A, they're different. B, they're pretty. And C, I can get these done within a day. Just, you know, a couple hours. I can sit down and do this while watching television, you know, on a little table in my lap, a little card table, or not card table, TV tray. while you're watching television. You know, that way you don't got to move your big canvases off your desk. And these are such a gratification of having a accomplishment for a completion by doing these kind. So now this one was $7.99, FG Normal. So the next one that I'm going to show you, this is the last one again in this box. Let me open it from this end. Alright. Really like these boxes. Alright, so this one is called Beautiful Women. Okay, that is the series, Beautiful Women. There are 12 different images. So you have to, again, make sure when you click to put this in your cart that you're putting in the correct one. Because you might accidentally put in, you know, one of the other ones. And then when you get your order, then you're going to be mad because they sent you the wrong one. And then when you go to look, you're going to be like, oh my God, I picked the wrong one. They didn't do anything wrong. So, standard toolkit. So this is the one I chose. Gosh, she's so pretty. Now this one is actually called Lady in Blue with Peacock. Like I said, there's 12 of them. So here's the item number, JK086. So make sure you get the correct item number. There is the thumbnail. She has got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 different colors. Very clear, very pretty. Very pretty. Now, she was also $7.99. Now, with FG Normal, they have their daily specials. You just have to look on their site and see what they are. And then also, ooh, look at that. Look there. Ooh, my goodness. Look at them little slivers. Y'all see that? Ooh, them are tiny. So look down in my description box. And down towards the end, you might have to scroll because I have a lot of info in my description boxes. But it's all good info. But if you scroll down, you're going to see a section that has got discount codes. So look down there, see if I have FG Normal listed, and if I do, there'll be a discount code, and then you can use it. I don't make anything from these discount codes. It's just something for my subscribers, my viewers, but you get a percentage off your total purchase. So make sure you use it, because you know what? Every little discount helps. It don't matter how small, how big, it all helps. Especially with the prices these days of everything else. Alright, so this is what I have from FG Normal, and thank you to FG Normal for sending these to me to share with all of y'all. And I apologize for the glare, but very pretty, very, very, very pretty, and I really like these little bags. And you know what? You could take and use this for storage for your specials. If you don't want to use them for regular drills, these would be great for specials. And you know what? You can fit a ton of them in here. And then you can label this, put a sticker label on there on what kind of crystal it is, because they have the codes right here. So yeah. All right, well, anyway, this is what I have. Make sure you go check out FGNORMAL's website. They have other items. They have their tools. They have daily specials. So go check them out. And until my next video, I hope you're all well. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.